Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. You're watching Aru Gaming here, and I'm back with another video. So this video is for how to remove the background when you go on live stream using Stremlabs. So without wasting the time, let's go start it. Okay, let's start it here. Okay, for this one you need to download Stremlabs desktop application or the software. In my previous video I have shown you how to download it and install it in your system, and that was a tutorial for how to go live using Stremlabs. So you can watch it from my channel, or I'll put it in the description here. So here you go. This is the interface you see once you open the Stremlabs app or the application. Here you go at source and click on video capture device, and this option is where the camera of your computer or the laptop captures your virtual picture. Click on add source and add source. So there's an option here because I have two cameras on my PC attached, so I'll select one of this one. So you can see this one. This is the camera which is live now, and yeah, so you need to close this one. For editing the background, you just right click on the option called video capture device and click on filters and edit filters, and you see an option called add filter here. So just click on add filter, and filter type you select an option called color key. So most of the people might be confused with this one, chroma key, because it does the same, but it's quite different from this one. It does not, so I would prefer the color key here. So just click on color key, add. So we have an option here, green, blue and red and a magenta color. So since I have a background a different color than this one, I would select the custom color here and just click on pick screen color and just select the background color here. So yep, it's done. So as you can see here, the background is being removed, but there is smudgy and there's a background noise here. So you see that there are some background left out here. So for that one, you go here and you see an option called similarity, and we have an option to adjust this one. So just try to increase it. Since my face color is also the cream one, so it's difficult to recognize the color here. So that's the reason I'm getting some you see this one. So that's the reason I'm getting some of the that's not so much clarity on this video here. So as you can see that this muffle is being reduced when I increase this one. Okay, can also use the smoothness. So these are the options to adjust this one. So I guess yes, this is okay, but I would prefer, or I would suggest you to use a different background color. Maybe you can go to green, that's the best one, or you can also select some blue which is dark and different from what you're wearing or your face color. It's totally different from that one, so I would prefer to use that type of colors. Maybe the dark colors. You can also use black, and you can also use white, but since this cream color is matching my face, and yeah, that's the reason there are some muffles, still more muffles on this one here. So I'll try to increase to 150 maybe. It's still the same. Okay, yeah, that's better now. Yeah, I would say this is better, but yes, there is some muffles on this one. Yep, perfect, that's okay. So maybe I would try to change the screen now, but I would suggest you to select the color which is dark, and green is preferable, as I said here. So guys, this is how you do or remove the background from Stremlabs. So this looks classy. You see that option here. So when you start streaming here, so you see a good interface. So there's no background here. So I would prefer you to use this one when you go live on this one, but try to use the different color in the background. Okay guys, then that's it for the day. Thank you, and please subscribe and like my channel. I'm sorry, subscribe my channel and like this video, and don't forget to click on the bell icon once you subscribe.